Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again. It's Good Kitchen. So I have right here, we have some chicken thighs. We're about to put them together. We'll put them out there on the grill. So what I'm making tonight, I'm making some grilled jerk chicken. So, you know, I have me my lemon right here. You know, you just want to rub it around the chicken, you know. So we have 2 lemons. Get that lemon, nice squeeze, just rub it on that chicken. So this is how I clean my chicken, with a little bit of white vinegar. I already poured my vinegar in there. So if you have white vinegar, make sure you pour it in there. So we'll make some delicious jerk chicken. Let me go ahead and finish cleaning this chicken. We'll pat everything dry, and we'll make it happen. Okay, so I'm taking my little knife and I'm stabbing up the chicken. I want the seasoning, the marinade, everything to go within that skin and inside of that meat, and everything be marinated nice to a T. Most of the skin I took off. So like this one of them right here, I took the skin off right here. So I think it's gonna be like my second time doing some jerk chicken. So I'm not an expert at cooking jerk chicken. I'm still learning. Alright, so it's poke. So the seasoning we're gonna use some jerk seasoning. I have a lemon right here, half a lemon. Squeeze that in there. You want that seasoning to stick. Okay, we're gonna do one more. Because that is a lot of chicken. So what I'm gonna do now, we'll go ahead and mix it in. Everything in, just like so. I'm gonna let this marinate for 1 hour. Everything is mixed in. You want to get up under that skin, get that skin. I'm gonna go ahead and let this go ahead and marinate. And I'll see y'all in an hour. Okay, so I have the smoker and the grill going at the same time. So we'll have both worlds. We're gonna put the skin side down, but not all of them have skin on them, so it really don't matter. Okay, we have a little basketball tournament, so you gotta don't mind the ball bouncing. We got a little tournament going on. All right, so that's how we looking. So within 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, we'll come back and we'll turn them over. Okay, so here we go right here. Just 25 minutes. Now we're gonna flip them. Yeah, I want them to cook too fast. Okay. I ain't gonna lie to you, that looking good. That's looking real good. Okay. All right, so we'll give it another 25 minutes. We end up flipping them again. Okay, so we're gonna make our red beans and rice. So I'm using some white rice. I'm gonna throw that in the microwave for 10 minutes. I don't want it to be cooked all the way through. I want it to cook some with the dark red kidney beans. So this is the beans I'm using, some kidney beans. I chopped up a whole celery, the celery leaves, and 3 garlic cloves. So this is what we're using for our red beans and rice with that delicious jerk chicken. Okay, look at that jerk chicken. Looking good, looking good. I'm doing my thing, for real. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and transfer the chicken up here on top, so it could be over the fire. Yeah. So everything going over the fire for another, I say another 15 minutes, because you want to make sure your chicken is all the way cooked through. And plus, you know, I don't want to burn it neither. I just want it to keep that beautiful color, that jerk color. And I think I'm doing a great job right now. Keep it real with you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead, let this do its thing for another 15 minutes, and we should be good. Okay, so we have a little bit under half a stick of butter. We'll use 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Down a little bit. So I'm gonna use 1 more tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, you want to give our vegetables a nice little saute. Okay, you want that butter to just go ahead and heat up and start softening up them vegetables. Okay. So what I'm doing now, I'm just smashing some of these beans. We're leaving everything in there, the juice, everything. So I'm just smashing a couple of them. If you don't have no blender, one of them little blenders, just do it yourself. Smash it up. Just like so. So I'm adding 1/2 cup of water. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook down some. Then we're gonna add the rice. Okay, so here we go right here. That jerk chicken off the grill. When I say I did a wonderful job, yes, I did that. Okay, so that's how we looking. We'll add a teaspoon black pepper, half of a teaspoon of salt, and we'll add our rice. Yeah, that's that sticky rice straight from the microwave. Tell you that microwave worked for real. So I say we'll go like 3 cups of rice, if that. I'm gonna eyeball it. Okay, so here we go right here. We have our red beans and rice. I say looking good, tastes good. That was easy. Now it's time to get this good food on a nice plate. So we close this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, hit that like button for me. I put my sweat and tears in this video. Appreciate y'all. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen again. Look at that jerk chicken. When I say this is fire, this is fire, for real. I ain't never been to a restaurant that had jerk chicken, never. So this is my second time tasting jerk chicken. But I need to hit up one of the restaurants though. That's what I need to do. We have our red beans and rice. I think I did my thing right here. Made it happen. Look at it. When I say it's tender, the taste, the flavor is, man, on point. But I did my thing again. And that I hope you had a good time. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.